Hello friends, hope so all of doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can fix incoming or outgoing calls problem in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're first time on this channel. So to fix incoming or outgoing calls problem in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.